So I'm back in Taiwan and back at my usual tong business. Having time off always helps my creativity, and so I've been working on some prototypes like this and some other general ideas for tongs that I've had, and try out different styles, different methods, and the like. I think this idea, this way of going about making my tongs is going to be a real winner. More to follow. For today, I'm going to use this alternate style bent knee tongue that I made for myself and work on these small pieces of 1/2 inch round. I want to make a few grab style hooks. I need to give a shout out to Dan Shazar for his recent extremely generous donation. No one is obligated to donate, but it sure does help. Thanks, Dan. I also want to give a shout out to Danny for becoming my newest Patreon supporter. Much appreciated. There's no connection between Dan Shazar and Danny as far as I know. I need to make some new, smaller handled punches for myself, and I think I'm going to start selling those again. I've used these 2H13 punches so much, they're a bit worn. Hey, I brought the mini forge back from the States. Just need to get some good charcoal. This would actually be perfect for today's project. It's hot here, and the radiant heat from a gas forge is not fun. I have to be the king of jumping anvils. It's so severe, it's almost like stop-motion animation. That's worth seeing one more time. No matter if in America or in Taiwan, one thing you can count on is my hairy arm. This little bic is very handy for rounding this, but I think what I'm going to make next is an anvil hardy hole bic. So originally I was going to show myself putting these on a bar permanently, but I think I'll hold off on that until I find the exact spot that I want to put this in. This alternate style bent knee tong worked very well for me. By the way, I had to make it because my bent knee tong of this size I brought to America and left there. Do I look as uncomfortable as I feel? The difference between the weather in the Pacific Northwest and here is great. Time for a shower.